Use appropriate safety equipment when maneuvering the dishwasher into your workspace. Unpack the dishwasher by tearing at the seams of the plastic packaging. The efficient packaging is easily disassembled. Remove the plinth from the furniture and place to one side. Insert the water and drain hose plus the cable through the niche and direct them to the connection points. Carefully maneuver the dishwasher into the niche. Inside the dishwasher, you will find the manual as well as the fitting components. Take a moment to read through the manual to make sure you fully understand the installation process. For the next step, you will need the sealant. Attach the sealant to the dishwasher. Now you will need the right-angled brackets. Place the two right-angled brackets on top of the product. Next, you will need the steam protector. Measure the niche and cut the steam protector to fit. Stick the steam protector onto the worktop. Next, you will need to adjust the height of the dishwasher. Using a screwdriver, adjust the back leg. Gently push the dishwasher forwards. Using your hand, adjust the height of the front by turning the legs. Take the decoration panel and place onto the worktop. For the next step, you will need the installation template. Place the template onto the decoration panel and mark out the two screw points for mounting the brackets. Fix the two mounting screws to the decorative panel. Take the decorative panel and mount onto the dishwasher. Open the dishwasher door. Fully mount the decorative panel into place using the 4 screws provided. Check alignment of the dishwasher door and make final adjustments required. Fix the dishwasher into the niche by screwing through the two right-angled brackets. Check alignment of the door. Place the plinth back onto the furniture. Your installation is now complete and ready for your customer.